Hi, my name is Ken Reed with SkipperBud's and welcome aboard our latest listing, a 1999 Sea Ray 500 Sundancer. Sea Ray is legendary in the industry, known for its quality, craftsmanship, and seaworthiness. This 500 Sundancer is no exception. This particular Sea Ray 500 Sundancer is powered by twin Detroit 6V92 inboard diesels. Has had only 2 owners since originally commissioned in 1999. The current owner has done many upgrades, which include stamoid canvas, strata glass for the glass, new Garmin radar chart plotter GPS, Bruno autopilot, Fusion stereo system, ball thruster, and even cockpit air and heat. The 500 Sundancer has a very well-known floor plan because of its spaciousness. Very large galley, enormous conversation pit midship. This boat originally would have been offered with a fill-in bed right there. This boat does not have it, however, it could be done. There's a washer and dryer behind this cabinet. Main distribution panel is right here. A plethora of storage. Storage underneath all of these cushions right here. Storage throughout the galley. Full-size refrigerator. And we'll move on to the master stateroom. As you can see, the boat is in exceptional condition for its age. All the woodwork, very nice, no ghosting or milkiness. Hanging closet behind that. Master head with a separate shower. We have a bunk room for the mid stateroom, which goes into the day head. The 500 Sundancer was offered with 2 separate floor plans in the cockpit area, this being the more popular due to the amount of room it gave you. For more information on this 500 Sundancer or any other of our boats, please call Ken Reed at 414-614-2628. Thanks for watching.